Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get girls on Omegle or Omi TV, or if you're using any kind of that application, so how can you get it? So first of all, make sure that your laptop location is always turned off. Like go to this section and make sure that your location of your laptop, if you're not able to see inside this section your location, so you can just write down here location, and it will take you to location privacy settings. So make sure that your location is always turned off. And once you turn off the location, after that you can just directly go to the Google and search your urban VPN extension. And once you write down urban VPN extension, so just go to this one, Chrome urban VPN extension. Make sure to install the application, or you can say the extension. And once it is loaded, as you can see, make sure to choose the location, United States or any other country. You can choose Sweden, depends on you, whatever country you want to go for. Just click on this country, Sweden, connect to the VPN, and once connected, make sure that these options are always turned on: anti-phishing, anti-malware, and web RTC protection as well. Once done, just go to history and remove all the cache or all the history from the your laptop. All time, click on delete data, remove all the history, and refresh the Omegle account. Once refreshed, after that you will get a cross match to the country which you have chosen for the on the VPN, and after that you will be able to get girls on Omegle or Omi TV or any other similar application. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.